Hello guys, welcome to God Give Creativity. In this channel we're about to do carrot oil. As you can see, I'm scraping the carrot to remove all the dirt and wash it thoroughly. It's now clean. The next, I'm going to grate it with my grater. You can see there is a tiny hole and a big hole inside the grater. So you can choose to use the big hole, you can choose to use the tiny hole, but in this I'm using a tiny hole. You can see it. So you can be able to grate your carrots very smooth. Make sure you grate it very well. Take your time. We all know the benefit of carrot oil to our hair and to our skin. If you rub it on your skin, it makes your skin glow. And it helps also to keep your skin moisturized and even your hair. It helps in hair growth. So after grating our carrots, you can see it. We are done grating our carrots. See how yummy it's looking. Wow. It's inviting, right? Now we are using our clean jar. Make sure you squeeze out the juice from the carrot. Yes, squeeze out the juice from it. Because the reason you squeeze out the juice from the carrot is for you not to damage your oil, because when the juice enters it, it will reduce the lifespan of the oil. Yes. So now I'm taking the juice. Yes, our body too need juice. I'm going to drink this. The next thing is to use your your olive oil. You can see I'm using extra virgin oil. Put it at the medium where your carrot is. Take it to your kitchen. Place a pot. Just boil it for like 3 to 5 minutes. You can see after 5 minutes, place it on your kitchen cabinet. Allow to cool down. But my own, I allow it to stay there till the next day. After the next day, see how our carrot oil is looking. Yes, strain it with a cheesecloth or a strainer. Anything that will help you remove the chaff from the oil. We are separating the chaff, the carrot chaff and the oil. Just make sure you strain very well. You can see it. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn up your notification bell to enable you know whenever I post a new video. The cheesecloth up. Do not squeeze hard. raise it up for the oil to come out gently. Do not squeeze it hard. You can see I'm not squeezing it hard. Now we are going to transfer it to our clean container. See our carrot oil. You can see our carrot oil is ready, guys. Tell me in the comment section if you are going to try it at home. As it is, you can stay for 3 months, 6 months to 1 year